Guru Destroyer review demo and $2,797 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is quarantine day 10 or 11 or 12, I don't even know. But the thing is, if you are stuck at home, why not try to make some money online with a cool new system, right? This brand new system is released by Jamie Lewis and David Kirby, two guys that know a lot about making money online, and they actually created a brand new marketplace for affiliate marketing, but not only, also for selling and buying domains, selling and buying websites, and just advertising your link to anything you want to promote. So essentially free traffic. Okay, so let me share my screen right now and let's jump into this Guru Destroyer review. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just wanted to tell you that this reminded me of the Warrior Forum, and I actually got started back in 2012 on the Warrior Forum. And essentially how it worked, you could go to the Warrior special offer section and you would just advertise whatever you had to sell. So it could be a W's of the day, it could be a PDF, it could be coaching, it could be a website, it could be whatever you had to sell. So essentially this Guru Destroyer marketplace is very similar but better. I'm going to show you exactly how it looks like in a second, but I just want to tell you that this reminded me of the Warrior Forum, and I know that the Warrior Forum absolutely worked because you had thousands of people using it, and obviously the more eyeballs on your offer, the better. Now let's check out the sales page. As you can see, it says self-contained commission generator makes him $95.71 in sales all day and night. PS, this is not traffic software. So as you can see, we got some proof right here, and the sales page is still under construction, but I will just hit on some key points. Let me see here. So Guru Destroyer, that's the name of this new product by Jamie Lewis and David Kirby. Scrolling down here, you're gonna be getting the marketplace step-by-step video training and some additional bonuses as well. And obviously you're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever Jamie is offering right here on the sales page. 30 days money back guarantee as always. And again, Jamie Lewis, David Kirby, the two guys behind Guru Destroyer. You can go through all of this in your own time, but right now let's check out the inside of the members area. So again, essentially how it works is you are posting whatever you want to promote, from the make money online niche, from the internet marketing niche, from crypto, from Forex. You post it as a posting on a marketplace. Okay, so we have the welcome video right here explaining it all, and then as you can see, you have the business model idea. So again, make money online, internet marketing, crypto, Forex. You're going to be posting your affiliate link to ClickBank, to Warrior Plus, to JVZoo, to Amazon, to Commission Junction, to whatever. You can also sell a domain. You can post a website for sale if you have one. Obviously you can buy websites as well and buy domains. You can post a consultation service, like if you just want someone to pay you via PayPal or Stripe, you can do that too. You can post a marketing service, a newsletter to build a list, that's for free. Traffic to your YouTube video if you want to build up your YouTube channel, and sell your own product or ebook. So this is everything you can make on this new marketplace. Okay, so this is the home dashboard, and the marketplace looks like this. So as you can see, we are in the buyer section. So sellers essentially are posting, and we as a buyer are viewing whatever they have to offer. So we have a domain right here, we have another domain, we have a website, we have a bunch of domains. And essentially, if you have an affiliate product to sell, if you have anything to sell, like your own product, you can just post it, and Jamie explains how to use this marketplace for affiliate marketing traffic. Okay, so he explains how to get the sale if you're adding bonuses and promoting affiliate products, and stuff of that sort. So as you can see, then we can view the seller, view the listing, like the listing, and also share it on Facebook. So let's view the listing right here and let's see how it looks like. So this is a domain that people want to sell on GoDaddy for 460 euro, which is like $500. Okay, so you can hook up anything to this marketplace. So it doesn't matter if you're using Warrior Plus or JVZoo or GoDaddy or eBay or any other website that you want to use to sell the product that you're selling, you can hook it up right here. And in this case it was a GoDaddy marketplace. Okay, so this is how it looks like. We can also click on sell and start selling our own products. So all we have to do obviously is to add the listing type. So it can be a domain, it can be a website, it can be an affiliate offer or a service. So let's pick affiliate offer. We will add the name, we will add the description, and obviously we're going to mention our bonuses or any special packages that we're going to add. Category, listing URL, so this will be your affiliate link, and then price. That's essentially it. You're adding your listing, and then it will show up in this by category where other people will be viewing it and buying it through your link. You can check out all of your listings that you created right here, and obviously you can edit your profile as well. So the usual, we have the name, we have the picture, and you can edit all of this. Now the cool thing is that this marketplace, Guru Destroyer, already has beta testers, which means that it already has users. All of the buyers of the Guru Destroyer will be new users, and Jamie Lewis is an amazing marketer, and he will keep on promoting it, and he will keep on adding new users, which means that it will have thousands of free visitors that you can catch the attention of and promote anything you want to. Okay, so that's how it works. A very simple idea. Again, you can just post any link, promote it on this marketplace, and get free traffic. So that's what you're gonna get. Obviously you're gonna get all the video training with it as well. And right now let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. So as you can see, Guru Destroyer will be $19.95. So this is the online business marketplace platform that allows you to get paid via affiliate link or any other way. So again, you can sell your coaching, you can sell anything you want really. And the cool thing is that Jamie already has a similar marketplace for domains. It's called Domainer Elite. So he knows how to run one, how to promote one, how to get people to actually use it, which means that you're gonna be getting tons of traffic to whatever you're gonna be promoting on it. Okay, so everything I just showed you is included. Then after you will decide to pick it up, we have some one-time offers. So one-time offer number one, marketplace unlimited $47, and with this, so with the main version, you're gonna have free marketplace listings at any given time, but with the unlimited upgrade you can have as many listings as you wish, 100, 200, even 1,000. Okay, so you will be able to make money with it. Obviously, if you have free listings at all time, you have free, you can delete one and add a fresh one, so you can have free live listings. Okay, but with the unlimited version you have unlimited listings. OTO number two, we got done for you toolbox. This is $97, and this is a high selling service and offer listings. So you're gonna receive swipes, actual listing descriptions, and unique sub business modules for using on Guru Destroyer. And you're gonna get all of that from Jamie, and this is something that he actually tested and he is selling. So you know that this will sell. Done for you toolbox. Audio number three, partner with Jamie, $197. And here users will get unlimited attendance to webinar training for live, plus priority service and attention on the webinars from Jamie. And he is doing weekly webinars since 2011, and you're also getting all the replays. That's audio number three. Audio number four, traffic, $197. So you will be able to ethically jack Jamie's traffic from his awesome launches by adding a traffic pixel to his sales page. So you'll be essentially funneling the traffic out from his sales pages. And the last one is OTO number five, reseller's license, $167. And essentially this allows you to sell all of the products in the funnel as your own and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. Now, as always, I have a full written review for you guys on my blog. This will include the funnel, and this will include all of the bonuses I mentioned in the beginning of this video. So you will get all of these bonuses for free from me if you'll decide to pick up Guru Destroyer through my link. Okay, so if you want to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click the first link in the description, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. Now, Gore Destroyer goes live at 10 a.m. Eastern on March 28th. And first of all, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses. These are free separate traffic sources that you can add to send to your listings on this marketplace. Okay, so free different traffic sources, that's custom-made bonuses. I also convinced Jamie to give away free of his previous products. Okay, so these are products that are currently selling, you're getting them for free. You will get affiliate shortcut, profit injector, and another custom case study from Jamie. Now, I'm not done. You are also getting some additional cool bonuses: affiliate cash monster, ClickBank marketing secrets, video profit machines, list building profit, Fiverr income secrets, Fiverr masterclass, riser, newbie traffic formula, flip me income booster, reseller's license to flip me, urgent arbitrage cash, easy arbitrage profits, blaze, tube traffic avalanche, and a case study on free traffic. But I'm not done. You're also getting a ton of additional plugins, softwares. You're gonna get affiliate advantage plugin, giant plugin biz, sales page writing software, squeeze page creator, true tags, IX, popbox, sales bar, shortcode call to action, authority traffic masters, Facebook live reaction, agent press, face zone, vid builder, press play, WP image and video commenter, social auto poster, slick pop, and vid bot, which means that this is a total of 41 bonuses. But on top of all that, you're getting 45 plus additional bonuses, and this is a part of my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. So this is a total of 86 bonuses worth $2,797. Now, guys, again, all you have to do to get all of these bonuses is click on one of these blue links on my blog and pick it up through my link, or again, the first link in the description from YouTube and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. And again, I have a full written review right here, so you can go through it, and this will include this little sum up right here. So just to sum up this Guru Destroyer review, you're going to be advertising your link in seconds. No one method or application. Okay, so this marketplace works for anyone. No product creation, no technical skills. You don't need a website or an email list. No analytical or market research required. No waiting to getting approved. So you'll get automatic approval and step-by-step training included. So what I don't like about Guru Destroyer, the only two things that I could think about is that you are counting on the marketplace visitors, right? So you're counting on Jamie and on the ability for him to actually get thousands of people into this marketplace. But before, this is his second marketplace, and he's an amazing marketer, and we know that he will do a great job. Then this is actually not a minus or not a negative thing. And another thing is that our users can create free listings as well. Okay, so you're going to be competing with our users for attention, but the cool thing is that with OTO number one, you can get unlimited listings, which means that you can create 100 listings if you want to. So these are the only two negative things that I could think about. But with that being said, Guru Destroyer got 5 stars from me right here, because I really see huge potential here. Okay, so guys, again, go to my blog if you want to check out all of the bonuses. And before you go, let me just show you how to claim all of these bonuses, because all you have to do is go to your Warrior Plus purchase history, click on your icon right here in the top right corner, go to the purchase history, and if you picked up Guru Destroyer from my link, you should see it right here in your products. Click on it, and below the green button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from art. That's how you claim it. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It's all done for you automatically. And again, I really see the potential here, because this is something that worked for me in the past with the Warrior Forum. And obviously this is the second, again, marketplace from Jamie. And he really know what he's doing, and free traffic is always cool. So again, this gets 5 stars from me. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please give it a like. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.